Launching my own meme coins truly changed my life because I've made over 6 figures in the past month all by doing this. You have to keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly how to launch your own coin, dump it, and become filthy rich. Now, I'm pretty sure that everyone here encountered a coin that was about to explode. We bought in the coin, and after a couple minutes, it dumped to zero. Now this, ladies and gentlemen, is called a rug pull. Basically, is when someone launches a coin and then remove the liquidity and they're walking away with thousands of dollars. And I'm pretty sure that if you've lost money to this, you are pretty mad and you want to make your money back. Now, I got a solution for you, and that's exactly why I'm making this video. I'm going to show you exactly how to flip the switch and become the one who does this. So, in today's video, I will be ungatekeeping everything. I'm going to expose exactly how to launch your own coin for free, get buyers organically in your coin, and then dump the coin. But obviously this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Cap! But please do not copy me, okay? Please do not copy me. Cap. Now, to create and launch your own coin, you'll want to come to create token.Fun. And this website right here is the only legit website on YouTube that lets you launch coins on the Radium DEX with no coding required. And the reason why this website is so special is because all the coins are all launched on the Radium DEX, which is way better than Pump.Fun, because nowadays Pump.Fun is too saturated and too many coins are being created every single minute. As you can see, it's just every single second, and the market caps are not even high enough, right? But if I go on the Radium DEX, for example, like this one, let me select the Radium DEX. Just look at the insane amounts of market caps. So 3 million, 12 million, 9 million, 1 billion, okay, 30,000, 1 million, okay, you get the gist. You have to be launching your coins on the Radium DEX, specifically on createtokens.fun, if you want to make the most amount of money possible. But anyways, if you want to make your coin, you have two different options. The first option is to make an original coin and to make it manually by putting the token name, token symbol, token image. It's really simple, and then continue with other steps and then create the coin. And the second option is my favorite one because I am lazy and I don't want to spend time on marketing, right? So the second option is by copying coins that are already trending and just stealing them, launching them, dumping them, and then repeating the process every single time. Now, all these coins are all trending, they're all pumping on Pump.Fun. So by duplicating these coins, you're basically guaranteed to get some buyers. And also, all the coins are all going to be launched on the Radium DEX, which will get way more eyeballs and in general make way more money. But now let's make some money. So I'm going to create a coin right now, but first of all, connect your wallet. So boom, it's really simple. It takes a second. Oh my god. Boom, connect. And then boom, it's connected, as you can see. Now I'm gonna look for a coin that looks promising. I'm gonna refresh here. Okay, I think I'm gonna take a random one. Okay, Solana Blood Pact. It has a last buy 4 seconds ago, 172 replies, which is actually good, and a $30,000 market cap. So I'm gonna create coin. After that, a warning will pop up. It's completely normal, bro. It's okay. It's normal. Okay, it's just phantom tripping out. Proceed anyway. Confirm. I understand. Confirm, and then your coin should be created shortly. Just be patient. It should take a couple seconds. Boom. Copy here. Click on create liquidity pool, and now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. So here it should be selected. Your coin should be selected. Your Solana binds. Now remember this number right here, okay? I'm starting with 1 Solana. Now we're gonna see how much I make after I dump it, okay? So let's see. But anyways, amount token A, I would click on max if I was you, but I'm personally gonna put 90% because I want to keep 10% in my wallet, right? That's personal preference, but if you want to keep it simple, you can click on max. But anyways, amount token B, this is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. Now it will come out of your own wallet, but you will get it back after you remove the liquidity. So I would put 0.5 Solana. The minimum is 0.3 and the maximum is unlimited. And yeah, now we're ready to make the coin. So 3, 2, 1, create pool. Your Phantom wallet should pop up once again. Then click on confirm. and simply refresh here. Boom, it popped up. As you can see, I'm already $60 in profit, which is absolutely insane. Click on Photon, and now your coin is live. It already pumped a lot. Let me go in a lower time frame. Okay, so it pumped and then it dipped a bit. So we got a $50 buy, couple $8 buys, which is not bad, not too shabby. $17 buy. Okay, so it peaked here at 500 and it dipped a bit. I could have removed the liquidity here, but I'm too lazy. I want more buys. Oh my god, it's making a comeback. Come on. Oh my god, let's go. Come on, pump. Yo, if it rips like fucking high, I am gonna dump it and make a shit ton of money, bro. Let's go. Come on. Come on, pump it, bro. Come on. Okay, fuck it. Okay, fuck it. One more big buy and I am gonna remove the liquidity, bro. Fuck it. Come on, I believe. Oh my god! Whoa! It's pumping so much! Oh my god! Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back to create token.Fun. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Come on! Come on! Confirm! Come on, what? And boom! We just dumped the coin! Oh my god, bro! We just made so much money. Okay, now for the final review. If I open my Phantom Wallet to see how much I made in 3, 2, 1... $720 is inside my wallet, bro. At the beginning I had 1 Solana, now I have 4 Solana. Okay, we made 3 Solana in profit. Create token.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. And if you want to enter the 1 Sol giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address and subscribe, and yeah, bye.